Hello, welcome back. I'm honestly very uncertain where I left off this vlog. It probably was last week sometime. My birthday has passed. Thank you all so much for wishing me a happy birthday. I turned 26. Wasn't as scary as I thought it was gonna be, so that's good. It is Tuesday and I'm starting another weekly vlog. I got my second dose of the vaccine this morning and I'm feeling like poop. I have slept so many times today, so many naps. I've been working from bed. It's now like 5 o'clock actually. Got my vaccine at 9 this morning. Anyways, feeling mostly unwell. So, I've just arisen from a nap. That was a really nice nap. And I think I'm gonna make a little burrito bowl because I bought ingredients specifically for that, because I knew that was like some comfort food that I probably would want to eat, and I finally have the energy to cook. I haven't eaten anything all day. I'm gonna make a burrito bowl and watch some TV and just lay on my couch and chill out. I have so much work to do in the next couple of weeks. I'm going to Toronto with my family on the 13th for 10 days. And so I'm trying to get everything done before then, because obviously if I have stuff that needs to be shipped to me that I need to shoot, I can't really get it shipped there, or there's not enough time, you know, in advance to get everything organized. So I'm trying to get everything done before then. So this is kind of a hiccup because I didn't get as much work today as I was hoping to. Welcome back to the vlog. I love you so much. We're gonna have fun this next couple of weeks, but it's gonna be a grind, baby. Here to quickly pop in and talk about the sponsor of this portion of the video. I'm so thankful for Gantry for sponsoring this little bit of the video. Let's get into it. Now, you probably have seen some of their lighting before in the background of my videos. I've actually had a lamp from them for many years, and you will see it on the screen now, and I love it so much. I've been using it as a bedside lamp. They kindly offered to sponsor this video and give me another lamp, and I am so obsessed with it. It's behind me right now because I wanted to showcase it, but I've been using it as a bedside lamp as well because I didn't have a good directed light one on the other side, so I have like 2 nightstands. I love their lighting. It's so architectural and beautiful. It's practical and it's sustainable. They're all made to order, and they use 3D printers made from custom plant-based polymers, which is unreal. And I really love that because I feel like there's so many aspects of our life that we try and make more sustainable choices, but I feel like furniture and home goods and lighting and things that are really important to have in our homes is kind of overlooked in that sense. So this is a really great option if you are looking for sustainable pieces that are beautiful, functional, and just work in any space, really. I really love my light and all of their lights because they all have dimmers. I really love being able to like set the mood. I think lighting is huge. Learned that from my mom. You could have the most beautiful space, and if the lighting isn't right, it's just not going to evoke the same feeling. So I love to be able to have it on and dim it to create a mood or use it as a reading light. This one is really great because it has a moving head, so you can direct it in different directions, use it as a task light at your desk or whatever you're going to use it for. And I know from previous videos, a lot of you are always interested in like how I like to decorate and get ideas for decorating. And I feel like basing rooms or having key pieces like beautiful lighting is a really great way to sort of like anchor your room. And especially if you're gonna go with a more architectural or statement piece, this is a really great way to do it. But it also just like fits in everywhere, and so I really love that about them. So I do have a discount code, it's on the screen, and there also will be a link in the bio. I would highly recommend checking them out. I'm so fascinated with all of the innovation that they're doing at Gantry and being able to use sustainable materials, and like, you know, the fact that it's made to order is huge too, because obviously they're not just making a surplus of stuff that may be wasteful, or it just reduces the carbon footprint overall. Thank you, Gantry, and let's get back to the vlog. I'm gonna go grab something. I made an exciting purchase today. I got a new toaster because mine broke. This was $50. I also bought another colander because I needed another one. And a carrot peeler because I left mine at a friend's house and she didn't have one, so I figure housewarming gift to her. Hello. It's the next day. It's actually quite late in the afternoon. It's almost 3 o'clock. I've just been working all morning and getting the toaster and blah, blah, blah. I feel as though life keeps throwing me these curveballs that are making me question things a lot. And when it is so reoccurring, it almost makes me think like, okay, maybe the universe is trying to tell you something and you're just not paying attention. My mom has been wanting to move, whoa, got cloudy. My mom has been wanting to move to the island for quite some time. And in June, as I mentioned to y'all, she came to visit me. I think it just really solidified to her that she does in fact want to move here, and so she's been pretty on it with trying to find housing, and I actually just went and looked at a place for her earlier this week. If she moves here, she's hoping she would sublet her place. She would likely move here for a year or so, sort of figure things out, and then, you know, go from there. And so we've been talking about who could sublet her place and all this sort of stuff, and like without sharing too much of my mom's business, because, you know, whatever. I obviously have the option to move into her place in Vancouver. I technically am on the lease for that place, so it's mine as well. When we first moved in, I was 18, so I was able to sign the lease for that place. Yesterday, it kind of just dawned on me that like, okay, I know I just had this big thing about not wanting to move to Vancouver and not wanting to do this program, and then it kind of just dawned on me that like I could move into her place and it would be my place and like make it my own, and, you know, put my furniture in it and like really just like have, I mean, it would be my place. And so it is very tempting to me. I have been of the mindset that I'm not gonna stay in Victoria forever. I love it here so much, and I know you're probably thinking, well, why would you leave? There's really not a lot of opportunity for young people here. There is a reason why they call it newlyweds and nearly deads, because as someone who's in like an in-between stage in their life, there's not a ton that the city has to offer as far as like jobs and that sort of thing. And so I always knew I was eventually going to leave the island, as much as it pains me to think about. And for me, I'm thinking, okay, maybe this is a stepping stone to then move to Oregon or Washington, which is like my ultimate goal of like where I want to live and where I see myself being in the next 5 years. And so I think I'm just like in a hard place, and I'm also getting my period, which makes this so incredibly hard to distinguish real feelings, rationale, and hormonal feelings. It is really hard to make any sort of big decisions when you are so hormonal. I'm definitely growing to the idea, and I think part of me is just like, oh my God, Sarah, just make a decision. Just go do something that maybe is not 100% ideal, but you're gonna make the best of it or whatever. And part of me really wants to do this and have like, my mom's place is quite sizable. It's a townhouse. It's a 2-bedroom. It has in-suite laundry. It has a carport. It's pet friendly, which is huge. If you guys didn't know, I've been trying to get a dog for years now. I mean, the only downside of it is it isn't in a location I would necessarily choose to be in if I were to move back to Vancouver. It's still like a 15-20 minute drive out of the city, which is like, some of you probably thinking that's not that much, but when you're used to being able to walk downtown, it is a sizable, like it's a pretty decent drive. I also don't have a car. That's something to consider. Like I may have to get a car sooner than I was expecting. I don't want to use y'all as like my out loud diary, but I do share a lot of my life, and you guys always have such good advice for me, and so I wanted to share this part of my life too, especially because if I am moving soon, it's gonna be part of my life and all that. There's a lot to consider. I'm excited, but I'm also just like, I really don't want to jeopardize my job, and my apartment is very, very conducive to what I do for photos, for video, and it's been really eating away at me. Again, I feel like every week there's just something that's been like distracting me from doing what I need to be doing. I wanted to fill you in. It is now Thursday. I just finished doing a big chunk of work that I've been procrastinating doing, so it feels really good. I just got that sent off to a brand. I'm going to go and get lunch. I think I'm gonna have Subway for lunch, which is not good, but I don't have any groceries in my house, and I don't really feel like doing groceries, like getting groceries right now, because I don't really know what I feel like. And so I really just want to take some time to like sit down and think about that. I also am going out of town next week, next Friday actually. I'm going to Toronto, so I don't want to get too many groceries. That's the 411. I also need to clean my apartment. I think that's another focus of mine for this afternoon. So I haven't done this in a while, so I thought I would do it. I'm just gonna get ready. It's like 10, almost 11. I have just been doing emails all morning, started with the workout. You guys already saw what I did, I need to tell you. So first I'm taking this Say Glowy Super Gel. I just take a tiny bit of it. I've obviously already done, oops, all my skincare. I hope you guys can see this. How is everyone doing this morning? I feel like y'all are gonna think I'm such a flake. Like, why can't this girl make her mind about stuff? Like, she was just saying how she didn't want to move to Vancouver, and then has this whole thing about like moving to Vancouver. And I don't know, I just feel like I've been craving some sort of change, so it's made it really hard to navigate like what I actually want versus like what is realistically best for me. I'm using the Glossier Stretch Concealer in it's literally completely blocked up. I think it's G9. I think ultimately I'm gonna stay put. I love it here. I love my apartment. I'm just kind of getting into the groove of freelance life, and I feel like this is just the best place for me to be, and I need to stop questioning it. And I mean, ultimately I was kind of just like wanting to make something work for my mom. Like my mom wants this really bad, and I felt like, okay, if I could just like, you know, sacrifice a year of living in Vancouver and she can live here like what she wants, then, you know, it'll be a win-win, even though it's like I don't really necessarily even want to move to Vancouver. But same eyebrow stuff I always have used for years. I'm currently getting ready to film a TikTok. I haven't posted a TikTok in a long time. TikTok is such a cool platform for just like doing fun stuff that I wouldn't do on YouTube or Instagram. It just like, I don't know. I feel like it works for certain things, and I really enjoy it for like outfit stuff. Also would love to know what you guys think about the new Gossip Girl, because I'm sure there is going to be, you know, some mixed reviews, but I kind of like it. I'm kind of digging it. And then after I get dressed, I'll do a little mascara. I've also been really loving the Merit mascara. This is their this is their lengthening mascara. I've been using this a lot. Really love this. Okay, time to figure out hair and go film this TikTok. Okay, just finished filming my TikToks, and I just popped up at the grocery store. I don't have anything in my house, but I really felt like making some curry as like lunch / early dinner. I don't know, it's only like 2 o'clock, but I don't have anything else to eat, and I want to eat something kind of healthy, but it's not going to be too long. So I'm gonna make a little quick green Thai curry. I've gotten most of my work done, which feels really good. I really don't want to have to work on the weekend, but I think I'm gonna have to, so I'm not trying to put too much pressure on myself right now to get everything that I wanted to get done this like today, and just probably work on the weekend a little bit, which is usually what happens when you're self-employed, but it's all good. But feeling good and productive and blah 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 blah. Let's get cooking. Hi y'all, it's Sunday. I did not vlog yesterday because I didn't feel like it, but I wanted to end off the vlog here. I actually Cav and I just had a little day of running errands, but also stopped and got a beer at Phillips, which was really nice. And then we also went to Valley Village, and I wanted to quickly show you. I got 2 things kind of impulsively because I didn't even try them on. But first I got this skirt. I don't even want to get into how expensive stuff from Valley Village is now, but I got this really cute skirt. It has this like checkered, not checkered, I don't know what to call this, flowers and squares pattern. I just like the color of it. It fits really well. I tried it on now since when I got home. It was $11. And then I stupidly got rid of all of my oversized like white shirts, and I feel like I keep seeing people wearing them and it looks really cute, so I found this one and it was $12. But it's almost kind of like a over another shirt dealy, because it has like these 2 pockets, really beautiful like alabaster buttons, and yeah, I'm sure you'll see me style it soon. I'm gonna end the vlog here. Not a whole lot is going on today. I try not to do too much work on the weekends anyways, including vlogging. Here we are. Don't forget to check the link in my bio if you want to check out any of the gantry lights or the one that I have, and I will also put the discount code on the screen here. I love you all. Thank you so much for being here, and I shall see you in the next one.